What's up, people? So we out here, we following Kobe. We're gonna be doing a shoot. I'm gonna be doing some aerial stuff. We have Trey riding with him. I'm headed to the car wash, and we're gonna try to get some car wash footage of Kobe's Corvette. So stick around. I'm gonna be vlogging during the time. We're gonna try to get some tanks, and we'll go from there. Appreciate y'all liking, following, subscribing, and let's see what we can do. Yeah. All right, so we're over here at the Magic Spray, and we about to get this in. We're gonna try to see if we can clean up this vet of Kobe's. Hey, Kobe. Give me that light balance, bro. This is what we're gonna try to get some footage of right here. Look at this. But anyways, got the drone with me. Gonna try to get some aerial footage, maybe of flying in and out and around. There's some places that the drone itself can't reach, or the camera itself can't reach. We'll be able to get some footage of, so stick around. And don't lose your gimbal, bruh. I got it.
Trey's taking over the vlog now. This is my vlog now. You get to watch me balance this. It's a fucking gimbal. You get to watch it balance this terribly.
So we're pretty much done with the shoot. We're all about to head to the house. Me and Trey, we're gonna get our footage, put it together, try to figure out what's up. Hey! Woo! 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 You got Instagram? No? Yeah. Straight up Kobe Cow. I'll post it here. Alright, y'all, so we're pretty much done. Be sure to catch y'all later. Leave a like, subscribe, comments in the description if you have any questions in your requests. Just Trey photos.
Oh yeah, cool, because I'm really awkward.
Oh man.
Yeah, just follow my Instagram, Just Trey Photos, at Just Trey Photos. My YouTube, which I don't post on, also at Just Trey Photos. I do a lot of modeling stuff, so if you're a model, and then oh shoot, hey, want to do a modeling event Saturday? It's a bikini contest. It's awesome.
Yeah.
You get invited to cool stuff.
Damn, living the dream. Living the dream, this guy. Alright. I say you're young. I don't know about the mother ones. I ain't the one to try to get them waves.